Hi everyone! Would you like to win the day with habits that work? Remember, success isn't just built on luck. It's built on what you and I choose to do every day. So today, there are 3 habits that can really help us with our productivity. Number 1, plan before we scroll. Take 5 minutes to write down today's 3 tasks before opening social media. Number 2, protect prime time. Use your peak mental hours for client calls, negotiations, or content, not admin work. And finally, number 3, clear the clutter. A clean workplace reflects a clear, focused mind. Tidy desks, tidy decisions. Finally, we can sell what we don't prioritize. Henceforth, discipline, not drama, moves deals forward. You know, we are also reminded from the book of Galatians 6:9. It says, "Let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not so give up." Take care, everyone. As always, remember, you can stand out and shine.